On YouTube, another video on US dollar and gold outlook, market outlook with Kingsley. So let's dive straight into it. Yeah, here on gold, we already see gold has hit a high, all-time high, and there's nothing. I don't think there's anything to trade on gold because we already hit all-time high. So we'll just wait for price to do its thing, then give us retracement if we can continue with the longs. Shorting gold in this type of condition is not ideal. So gold is already hitting another all-time high. So we just wait for pullback. So nothing much on gold. Yeah. So straight to DXY. DXY, we've been rallying up. We've been seeing price pushing up. Sorry guys. We've seen DXY pushing up lately, of which we called this long a week ago. Yeah, we called this long a week ago. Yeah, so we've been seeing price pushing up nicely and with nice market structure. So we see our change of character, this is our fractal structure, and the retracement. Then we keep pushing up. So here on DXY, we're expecting another pullback before we continue, because in the daily time frame we can see overall here that we have 3 trend line touch, 1 and 2, and this is the third one. So we might either see price take this high, causing a fake out, and then push back down, continuing with the downtrend, or we might just see price taking the entire 3 touch. So I'm still looking for longs on DXY, so I'm still expecting maybe one more pushback down before we continue going on. But if we should go to the 4 hours, if we get to the 4 hours, we can see here in the 4 hours, we can see price is kind of trending up. So I just want to see price retrace, because we have our change of character, our break of structure, and this is our break of structure for this 4 hours. So this is the structure of the market. We are going up, so I want to see a pullback, taking this as liquidity. Then maybe this will be our demand zone for price to continue pushing up. Yeah, so this is what I will be looking out for on DXY. Yeah, on DXY, I just want to see price push back down a little, use this as liquidity, then we will use the opportunity to take longs. So all I want to see today is just a pushback down, liquidity take on, or liquidity grab on DXY, then our fractal structure. If we should pull out our PVD2, we see that price has, you see this is 50% of the move. So this is our discount zone. So this is where I want to see price get to before we continue the long on DXY. Same with Euro USD. If you go to Euro USD, that Euro USD is just the vice versa of DXY. So here is what I want to see on Euro USD. Yeah, so I just want to see the same price action on Euro USD. Liquidity sweep, price take this, price tap into this demand zone, this supply zone here, above here, and then this will be our liquidity sweep. Do you understand? Just simple price action, then we will continue shorting Euro USD. If not, we'll just keep seeing longs. You understand? We'll just keep seeing longs, and then structure will break. Same thing with DXY. If we should break below this, if we should take this low, then the structure has shifted to the downside, then we'll start looking for shorts. That's just what I have on Euro USD and DXY. Simple price action, nothing much, nothing complicated in it. Well, we might also see price turning from this zone here, because we actually have liquidity here. This is a little liquidity here, and price can use it as a fuel to continue with the trend. So we might see price selling off from here, then after taking this liquidity. But it would be more clear to see price take out this high here, giving us a factor structure in the lower time frame so that we can short. Yeah, that's that for Euro USD. To the next pair, GU. GU is kind of similar to Euro USD. And our fundamentals, we don't have much today. We just have a bank holiday, JPY bank holiday, US dollar bank holiday, CAD bank holiday, and nothing much, no high impact in the market. Yeah, so I'm just looking to see price follow our direction. Same thing with GU. We called some trade on GU. Even Euro USD, we called some trade. This whole swing, we called this trade, and we benefited from this trade massively. So this week I'll be looking to also see nice price action from GU and Euro USD. Understand? So I just want to see liquidity sweep so that the structure can continue. Either we take out this liquidity here, because this is actually liquidity here. So either we take out this, but price getting here is too much. So either we take out this, or we just take out this one, and then we'll see price continuing the trend. This is actually liquidity here. Then we'll see price continuing the trend to the downside. We should mark our other blocks out. Okay, let's use our body candle, 50% body candle for the other block. Oh, see, we have this other block here, of which price can test, or we can even go for this one above here. I'll just mark it like this, but you can mark the entire move before the sell. So either of these two, price taps in, and then we see a change of character, so we can continue selling. We might see price taking out this as liquidity, like I said. So I'm still looking for shorts on GU until we take out this high before the structure will shift into the upside. Then we'll continue longing GU. Yeah, that's that for GU. That is that for GU. Even checking our PVD tools to know the main place we should be looking for shorts from. Yeah, you see, above this liquidity here is already our 50%. It's already 50% of the movement. So taking shorts from here is not bad, or from this one is not still bad. So that's that for GU. To the next pair, AUD. AUD also looking nice. AUD also looking nice. We've seen structure shift continuously. Even go to the daily time frame, you still see these structure shifts. So here on AUD, I'm still looking for the exact same thing, continuation to the downside. So go to the daily time frame, you will see, yeah, you see we are kind of pushing down. So I just want to see if we'll continue with the downtrend, if price will respect demand, yeah, sorry, respect supply. If supply will be respected, then the trend will continue to the downside. If not, then we will continue going up. So that's what I'm expecting on DX. Sorry, that's what I'm expecting on AUD. 24 hours for clarity. Yeah, this is liquidity sweep. This is our order block, daily order block. So this is our liquidity for the market to continue with the trend. And from this point to this, from this high to this low, we've seen actually before this liquidity is our is the 50% of the move, so we might just see price taking it out, then we see our change of character, or might even see price respecting it. I want to see price take it out because this is a little bump in the road, so I want to see price take it out so that we'll see our change of character and continue the short. That's that for AUD. To the next pair, New Zealand also looking nice. What I want to see on New Zealand, I just want to see same thing, same market structure, same thing over and over again. Yeah, I just want to see shorts. I'm still favoring for shorts. Either we sell off from after this liquidity. Yeah, after this liquidity, because this is a little bump in the road. After this liquidity, we sell off or we take this one. No, but I don't think we will take this. But I would prefer to see price take out this liquidity, then so that we can continue shorting. If not, if we get all the way to this high, then we are looking for longs. That's that for AUD. CHF, we've been on CHF trade, holding CHF. We've seen it taking this liquidity. We actually took TP1 here on this high, so we are still waiting for TP2 to get hit so that the trade can get closed. So DXY, we've seen nice price action, highs being created and all that. So what we expect today is still a retracement to the downside before the main drive to the upside. Yeah, that's what we expect for the week. Yeah, so I just expect maybe a factor structure shift then so that we can continue longing this pair. Maybe because we already took liquidity here and bringing out our premium and discount to, we've seen price has already gotten to our discount zone. So these are our discount zone with liquidity sweep and with this as liquidity sweep. With this and liquidity sweep, and then we expect to see change of character, maybe one more push down, then change of character will occur above. Once we take this, then change of character will occur, then we can continue looking for. Once we sweep this low and then take that high, then our change of character will occur, then we'll start looking for longs again. You understand? Simple and clear. So that's that for CHF. To DXY also seen DXY pushing up in the daily time frame. For clarity, we see price has been going high and high and high. So I just want to see DXY push back down, take this low, this little bump in the road, so that we can see further upsides. Or you understand? That's what I'm expecting for DXY. We might even see price respecting these zones here and continuing with the upside, continuing to push up. So that's that for DXY. To JPY, US dollar JPY. So did I just say DXY? Sorry guys, I meant USD card. This is USD card. So I'm still favoring upsides on DXY. Sorry, US dollar card. I don't know why I keep saying DXY. So I'm still favoring upsides on US dollar card. So that's that for the pair. Then JPY, US dollar JPY, I'm also favoring longs because we've seen a price range in this zone. We've been seeing range on this zone. Sorry, we've seen price range on this zone. Then we saw a breakout to the upside. Then price came back down, took the low, and then next thing we saw is the main move occurring, which is change of character here and price continue with the upside. We see our change of character, liquidity sweep, price test this demand zone, and then we push up higher. So I'm still looking for another push back down, maybe covering these gaps, so that we can continue going high, because if we should go to the 4 hours for clarity, going to the 4 hours, we see this a little bump in the road. We might see price come take this and then we continue going up. If not, if price doesn't take this as the liquidity, then we might just see price respecting it as the demand zone to continue going up. Because if we should use our PVD2, from here, from this high to this low, we will see this actually after this little bump in the road is where our discount zone continues. So I want to see price drop below, giving us a change of character and continue with the uptrend. That's that for JPY. Then with the next pair, the next pair is GDP JPY. GDP JPY also still favoring the same thing, liquidity sweep. Then our longs will come in once we see this liquidity sweep and factor structure shift. Don't forget, if we don't get a factor structure shift or change of character, we are not taking the trade. That's our confirmation to take the long. Once we get this liquidity sweep, then we can continue with the longs. That's that for today, guys. So if you like to see videos like this every day, every now and then, just subscribe to this channel. Love you guys. Happy trading week and a profitable trading week to you all. Thanks. Peace out.